Here's the assembly instructions and demonstration of how I put this trellis together. This is all the materials and the instructions.
First, I gathered all the materials and I'm getting ready to put the sides together of the lattice. The instructions were very detailed in a book pretty much, and then it came with another piece of paper that had a customer service number on it in case you had some problems. So here, as you can see, I'm putting together the lattice. It tells you exactly where to put the screws and how to put them in. And I thought the pictures were very detailed, which I liked. Everything was labeled well. The wood was very good quality, and also the screws went in very nicely without splitting any wood. Once I got done with the sides, I was ready to start on the top. Now, they said that 2 people should put this together, but I put it together all by myself. Once I'm done with the top, then I turned it more upright so I can work on the rest of it. Then I put this arch there and screwed it in. I did it on both sides. This is actually one of the easier pieces I've ever put together. Here is the final product. It's very sturdy. It wasn't hard to do at all. I didn't have to have 2 people, to be honest. I did it with 1 person. Here's the lattice work. Goes up and around. The only mistake I made is that one up there, where I put that in the middle of that board instead of down, you know, so it goes down, so then it encompasses this too. So I just fixed that. It worked out well. Can't wait to put this in my garden. I think the construction is easy. The assembly was easy. The instructions here were good. Lots of pictures, which I like. And overall, I'm very happy with this. I was a little worried that it would be too narrow for me to get a bench. I have a white bench that I want to put in there, but it's going to be just right. So excited about this. Very good product.